make some fun summer cocktails using Klatch Cometeer. So you don't even have to have any special equipment to make these drinks. We are gonna start with Basil Espresso Tonic. Let's rename it. Basil Cometeer Tonic. Basil Crazy Goat Tonic. Basil Deliciousness Coffee Tonic. Let's just go with one of those, wherever you're in the mood with it. We're gonna start by taking, what I'm gonna use here is my martini shaker. We're gonna add a little bit of ice to it. We don't need a ton. And we're gonna add some fresh basil leaves to it. All right, I'm just gonna take off 3 leaves here. Just gonna put a lid on here and we're just gonna shake it up. We just wanna get it nice and fragrant, release those basil oils out there. Nice, see? A little bit of green there. And then what we're just gonna go ahead is we're just gonna pour this into our cup. If you need a little more ice, just top it off. You don't have to worry about putting these leaves in. All of that deliciousness is on my ice and that's what I'm looking for there. So then you wanna get yourself a nice tonic water. Get a good tonic water. That's like the base of this drink, so get a good one. So we're just gonna go ahead and take our tonic water. We're gonna pour it in. And then we're just gonna top it off with one of our defrosted Cometeer capsules. Whatever your favorite Klatch Cometeer capsules you can use. If you have an espresso machine at home, you can go ahead and use that too, kind of whatever works. I don't want this to open all over me, so I'm opening it very carefully. And we're just gonna gently lay that down on top. And the final piece of the puzzle will be a beautiful sprig of basil. Now you want like a pretty tiny one to just sit right up top. This is, we won't use that one anymore. This is delicious by the pool, beautiful summer drink, super refreshing, super light, and could not be easier to make. Enjoy.